Paisley. I was going to show you guys outside my new house today, but it really started raining. And I put my boots and my coat on, but it started to thunder. And Mom said I probably shouldn't play outside in the thunder, even though I really like to go out and splash in puddles. But maybe the next time that it rains, I can play and there won't be thunder. And then I can play out in my boots and with my raincoat on. It's time for Paisley's joke of the day. What is orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot! A carrot! Hi guys! One of the things I'm super excited about at my new house is my fish. I can't believe that my new mommy and daddy have fish. It's so exciting. These fish are called black mollies. Look how cute they are. I just can't even control. Look, the sun came out. Yay! Hopefully, in my next video, I can show you some of my stuff outside. It's pretty cool. I love my new house. If you liked this video, make sure to like it and hit the subscribe button. Bye!